11%, what is the expected annualized return over the 2-year period? So he wants to invest this bond after 3 years. So next 2 years, he wants to invest in 9% yield coupon bond. And that after 2 years now, so that the same bond he wants to reinvest at 11%. So it is nothing but horizon analysis that we have seen earlier. So now look at the case. So first step, we need to get the current price. The current price we need not calculate here. Current price is given the case itself. That is 1020. Now forecast price. So you are after 2 years, you are going to invest in this particular new bond, which is having 9% yield after 2 years. So next 3 years, you are going to invest. So total maturity period is 5 years. So after 2 years, the investor wants to invest in this 9% yield bond for 3 years. So calculate 80 divided by 1.09 power 1 plus 80 divided by 1.09 power 2, 80 divided by 1.09 power 3 plus 1000 divided by 1.09 power 3. Or you can use the table value. The table value is given. The table value is not given, so you need to use the equation. So here the table value when you take, it is 2.531 for 9% 3 years. And the table value when we take for present value factor, 9% 3 years, it is 0.772. So multiply, it is 0.772. So multiply, yeah, so 0.772. So 80 into 2.531 plus 1000 into 0.772, it will be 202.48 plus 772, it will be 902.48. Because the investor is going to invest in 9% yield, the price will fall. Earlier, the yield was 7.45%. Now he's going to invest 9% yield bonds, the price will fall. And he is taking this decision after two years. So the 2 years interest that he is receiving and is going to reinvest at 11%. So we need to get the future value. Step 3. There is 80 into 2 years interest. 80 into he is going to invest first year interest. At the end of the first year, he is investing it for 1 year. So 80 into 1.11 plus the second year interest. Second year interest, he cannot get any interest because he is receiving at the end of second year. So plus 80. So 88.8 plus 80, 168.8. So the 2 year return. So how do we get that? Coupon interest plus changes in the bond price. So coupon interest is 168.8, that is reinvesting, plus the bond price is coming down. That is 902.48 minus 1020. The bond price is coming down. So he is receiving capital loss. So divide by the original bond price, that is 1020, that is 5.02%. So how do we get annualized? 1 plus R power 1 by N minus 1. So 1 plus R, that is 1.500502 power 1 by N, that is 1 by 2 minus 1, you will get annualized return. Okay. So any clarification, anybody? So I'm muting everybody. So any clarification you can ask. Anybody can ask the doubts. I have.
In the previous question, like the percentage change in bond price, we are using minus D into delta Y. That equation we are using.
That is when there is no convexity. So that particular equation is used for estimating the bond price more accurately. So this particular equation.
Sir, the question, sir, will you show that question again?
If there is no convexity, then you cannot calculate. So you can use the same thing, minus modified duration into changes in bond price, changes in bond price. You can calculate that. If there is a convexity is given, then use this equation.
Okay, sir.
To forecast more accurately. To forecast more accurately, use this equation when the convexity is given. When the convexity is not given, then you can use the previous one, that is minus modified duration into changes in bond price.
Okay. Suppose first you're asking convexity, then coming to bond price change. Then I have to use this equation.
Yes, yes, correct, correct.
Else
And
the previous
and
thing.
moreover, in the case convexity is asked, so already
Yeah.
you know the convexity. So in
Yeah,
in
it's
such
there.
case,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So I have unmuted everybody. So those who have any questions, please ask. So it is very important case study for section D. So your section D case study looks like this. So here yield to maturity, nothing is asked whether it is approximate or the real one, exact one. So if nothing is asked, you should calculate the exact one. So any clarification, anybody?